You're only 3 minutes away from total stillness. No matter how chaotic your day has been, this moment is yours. Let's find peace right now. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. And take a deep, gentle breath. In through your nose. And out through your mouth. Right now, there is nothing to fix, nothing to do. Just be here. With every breath, feel yourself coming back to center. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Thoughts may come. Let them drift past. Like clouds across a still sky. You are not your thoughts. You are the space between them. Vast. Open. Calm. Notice your heartbeat. Steady, gentle. Like waves on the shore of your soul. With each moment, you return home. And now, as we come to the end of this moment, carry this stillness with you. Let it ripple through your next breath, your next step, your next word. Peace is always available. Right here, right now. If this helped you today, remember, you can return to this space anytime. Like, share, and come back tomorrow for another 3 minutes of Zen.